Hey friends, it's Beth from Rekindle Blessings. Let's make a really cute 4th of July Uncle Sam top hat. First thing we're going to do is we're going to use some of that Waverly Crimson Red and some black mixed together to paint those wonderful red stripes. Then we're going to use some white paint that was left over from my craft room to paint the white stripes. And then we're going to do the in the navy blue from Dixie Belle. Then we're going to add red around that rim. Or brim. That's a brim, not a rim. Anyway, we're going to add red around that. And then I'm going to go back in with some black and take it around the bottom of that and just shade that in on the bottom. We're doing all of our shading as we go. You guys, I love the way this turned out. I am so proud of this one. This is absolutely adorable. Anyway, you guys, if you are interested in these, we will be doing one of these, I believe, on over on Whatnot. We will be doing one of these probably tomorrow. I will send out a telegram and let everyone know. So if you're not on my telegram channel, make sure you put hashtag, let's see, hashtag, hashtag notify. Hashtag notify in the comments. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and paint all those sides and make everything work really well with one another. And yes, I did miss the blue on this, but I did go back and grab that and fix that. So it did get painted. And then I'm just going around with a baby wipe and adding a little more black around those edges because I like the way that is shadowing. So I'm just adding a little bit more of that here and there. You guys, this turned out so precious. I grabbed up all the red and white and blue and tan colored ribbons that I had, and I just made a what they call a messy bow with that. And then I just tied it up and give it a good scrunch up and just cut around it and just fluffed and fluffed and fluffed. These bows are the more crinkly and wrinkly they are, the better they look. Anyway, I went ahead and cut those 2 pieces of jute off the back of there, and then I'm just kind of trimming as I go. I cut that 1 piece of ribbon on the very top in half, and you guys, this turned out so precious. I really love it. I just ran just now to grab some greenery. We're going to add some, I think I add the stars first. Yes, we're going to paint the white on those stars. These are stars that Randy cut on the Glowforge, and then I'm just adding a little bit of white, just a touch of white, so that that tan comes through as well, so that it all works together. And then I'm just going to glue those onto the top hat. And then we're going to use some of these greens up underneath our bow. And I think it just adds a touch of color. That's the reason I like the green. It just helps to make this hat look so much prettier. The green just kind of gives it a pop of color. So I added that in there, and oh my goodness, y'all, this turned out so very pretty. I ended up finding these buttons. I found a red, white, and blue button, and I decided to put all those on top of one another, and we put that right in the middle of our bow. And y'all, look at this. It's gorgeous. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I had a great time. Have a great evening, and y'all do me a favor. Share this out and become part of the Rekindle Blessings family.